You wake me up early in the morning. You eat your breakfast and still you are calling. I bring you back and fall into bed, back to sleep while you stand on my head. Lola Bird, my pretty Lola Bird. You wait at home all day for me, and when you're happy you start to sing, preening your feathers and eating your seeds on my shoulders, watching TV. Lola Bird, my pretty Lola Bird, my pretty Lola Bird. How I love you. You went away where I could not go. I was so sad. I just hope you know. Once I held you